Give you a quick real estate tip. This is mostly for sellers. However, it can educate buyers as well. Subject of home inspection, and something's very specific is that when you get a home inspection done, you always have to take what that report says with a bit of a grain of salt. They tend not to be super detailed or explanatory. Here's the example. Just recently, I was representing some sellers selling their home. We got a good dollar for it. The offer was subject to home inspection. That home inspection report came back that the doorbell was not working, that there was some double tap wiring going on in the panel, and that there was aluminum wiring. Now, on the face of it, that was the extent of it. That's what was stated, and we received from the buyer through the realtor that they wanted $2,500 off in order to fix what I just noted there, specifically the aluminum wiring. So what we did is, as soon as I heard that, I headed over to the home and I opened up the main panel and looked inside. You'll see some pictures here in the video, and lo and behold, there's the transformer attached to the side of the box, the transformer for the doorbell. The doorbell wire is what was double tapped, and basically that is a common thing to do because the transformer takes almost no power, not consistent power. And so it's double tap, meaning it's two wires it's sharing one of the breakers. Anyways, and the wire from a transformer for a doorbell is 99% of the time aluminum wire. It is not copper. So took it off and quickly look at I look at the bars at the bottom where all the grounds come into, and you can quickly tell what's aluminum, what's not, and there was no aluminum in there at all. And again, the only aluminum wire which we noted was the wire coming from the transformer, the doorbell transformer double tapped into a breaker. So I sent the clients, or asked the clients if I could send an email to the buyers, which we did, stating that, hey, look, a transformer you can buy from any supplier from $10 to $20. And if you note, doing your homework, that almost all transformers are produced with aluminum wire, with an aluminum wire, and that double tapping a transformer for a doorbell is common practice, so a non-issue. But we did recognize the fact that it was going to cost some money, an electrician, for somebody to do that. We figured it would cost no more than $100 to $150 to have that done. So we offered the seller back, or the buyer back, sorry, a $250 discount or credit, if you will, which was accepted because basically we took the time to investigate, explain, and just use facts, basically dealing oranges with oranges, apples with apples, and we got her done. So effectively, if that wasn't done, it could have potentially cost my client $2,500. So it was a good day there, got the deal together, and on we went. So anyways, just a tip. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box below this video, or go to my website and you can send me an email from there if you wish. Have a super day and Merry Christmas. Cheers.